Don't get me wrong, I love coffee, right? It's something I engage in most days. I have a little bit of a ritual. But if you're someone that maybe is challenged by anxiety, you're trying to cut caffeine, or maybe you don't like the taste, right? Here is a tool that you can use to replace the reason that most people drink coffee, right? A boost in focus and energy and alertness without the crash, without the jitters. So what we want to kind of do here is focus on the inhale, a little bit longer, a little bit deeper than usual. We're going to take a small pause at the top, and this helps further stimulate the nervous system, and then we're just going to let the exhale kind of fall out. So it would look like I pause with the chest open, the spine long, and quick exhale, big inhale, little pause, quick exhale. I might repeat that for about 30 to 45 seconds before checking back in and just kind of noticing how I feel. The vast majority of people are going to feel an uptick in levels of alertness and energy. Give it a try.